Hey guys, wanted to share with you probably one of my most used and favorite things in my house. This is the Shark vacuum. It's chargeable. You can use it for anything really, like I do. Just show you real quick, it's very lightweight. It comes apart here and here, and you can put your attachment on. Super easy. Super easy to empty. I like it when I'm cleaning my vehicles, or if you have company coming over and your kids and animals like mine get stuff all over your floor, you can quickly clean up your area. Now my house is about 2,800 square feet, and I can go through my house and hit all the main areas, and the battery lasts about 30 minutes. And what I really like about this one is when it's charged, you can still leave it plugged up and it automatically shuts off, so it's not burning up your battery. I have had some previously that I would use and leave thinking I was always going to be prepared by leaving it plugged up, and over time they ruin your battery. So this, if you're needing something efficient, lightweight, for something quick, everyday supper ideas under the table, your rug, before people come over to clean up quick messes, this is how I highly recommend.